Alright, let's look at the homework 2.8, problem number 2. A spherical balloon is inflated with gas at rate of 10 cubic feet per minute. How fast is the radius of the balloon changing at an instant when radius is 1 foot or 2 feet? Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so we're assuming that a balloon is spherical. So the volume of the balloon is V is equal to 4/3 pi r cubed, right? Then we are talking about let's see, so the balloon is inflated at the rate of 10 cubic feet per minute. So 10, so this is the value of the rate of change of the volume of the balloon with respect to time, so dv over dt. Alright, so how fast is the radius? So we're looking for dr over dt. So this is what we're looking for. And when radius is, so this is, radius is 1 foot, and the radius is 2 feet. Alright, so let's do that. Right, so we just need to take the derivative. So if you take the derivative of this with respect to t, we get dv over dt, which is equal to, right, so 4/3 pi is just a constant. Derivative of r cubed would be 3r squared. But we have to multiply by dr over dt. So by chain rule, right? Then we can cancel 3 on top and the 3 on the bottom. So we get 4 pi r squared dr over dt. All right. Since we are looking for dr over dt, I'm going to actually go ahead and divide through by 4 pi r squared. So we get divide by 4 pi r squared. So you have a 1 over 4 pi r squared times dv over dt. Right? So this is going to be a value of dr over dt. Alright, so let's do part A. Alright, so we're looking for dr over dt. So this is going to be equal to 1 over 4 pi is there. By r in this case for part A is 1, so 1 squared. And dv over dt is 10, right? So 1 really doesn't do anything, and then let's see, 10's multiple of 2, divide by 2, 5, divide by 2, 2. So we can see that this is equal to 5 over 2 pi, right? So let's type it in. We got 5 over 2 pi. Right, let's check the answer. Submit for testing. All right, it came back and looks like we got part A correctly. All right, let's do part B. Right, so it's pretty much the same. We just have to change the R value to 2. So this is going to be equal to 1 over 4 pi, and then here is a 2 squared times 10. Right? Then again, we can just divide through by divide top by 2, so it's 5. Divide bottom by 2, 2. So we get the 5 on top. On the bottom, you have 2 times 2 squared, so it's going to be 8, and then there's a pi, so 8 pi. So 5 over 8 pi. So let's type it in. 5 over 8 pi. Alright, so let's check the answer. Submit for testing. Alright, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly as well. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.